Learn how to easily save your shopping cart on the Festo website for your personal use, or to share it with your team members within your company. To do this, first log in to the Festo website with your login data. Then add the desired items to your shopping cart. Now click on Save. Please enter your first and last name in the next step. You may also add a note if you wish to provide additional information. If you want to make the shopping cart visible to everyone in your company, please enable the Make Cart Public option. If you prefer the cart to remain private and accessible only to you, simply leave this option unchecked. Finally, click Save to securely store your shopping cart. You can now find your saved shopping cart in the My Festo section under Saved Carts. All saved shopping carts will now be displayed. Your most recently saved cart will appear at the top of the list. Clicking on the cart's name will take you to the detailed view. Clicking on the pencil icon, you can also update the status of your cart at any time. Please do not forget to save your changes afterwards. If you wish to order your saved shopping cart later, simply click Add to Cart. All items will then be automatically added to your current shopping cart. Now click Checkout to complete your order. Follow the step-by-step instructions until the final review. At the end, please confirm the terms and conditions, as well as the Russia clause, and place the order. With this, your order has been successfully created.